Welcome to my UDL Instructional Plan Project demonstration. My name is Kat Faller, and today I'll be walking you through the observation that I did on an 8th grade math class and giving you some additional resources that you can use to spice up your own UDL lesson plans, or if you were doing anything particularly with slope-intercept, add a little extra spice there. So the video that I watched was an 8th grade math and slope-intercept lesson, where the students were asked to identify the slope-intercept of a given graph and identify how the slope-intercept relates to the x and y axis. As you can see from the screenshot, this was the do now or bell ringer that the students were asked to do, just to see what kind of knowledge and familiarity they had with this content. The teacher activated student background knowledge by asking them about what music they like to listen to, when they bought CDs, how much the CDs were, before handing them this worksheet. The worksheet included the x-axis of the number of CDs and the y-axis of cost. This helps students make the connection between the slope-intercept line. So as far as representation, a couple ways that you could spice up this lesson would be to allow students to create their own project, representing through various multimedia outlets, anywhere from as low-tech as paper and pencil and poster board to more high-tech resources and outlets like PowerPoint, Canva.com, Google Slides, Prezi.com, Pictochart, and Desmos. So I wanted to take a minute to show you a little bit about Desmos. This particular site allows you to have this slope-intercept line or completely eliminate it. It allows students to manipulate their slope and to manipulate the intercept. In addition, for engagement, students can be able to optimize individual choice and autonomy through checkpoint 7.1 through the various uses of multimedia. So through that Desmos, Pictochart, Canva, and Prezi, students can have personal autonomy over personal font, color, and design choices. For action and expression, you could utilize checkpoint 6.2 to support planning and strategy development. You could create a rubric through rubistarforteachers.org. This can allow students the opportunity to know what is expected of them, in addition to providing exemplars with the rubric so that students know what that quality standard that you're looking for does look like. This also helps students kind of plan to see where they're at and what they need to close that gap. I wanted to take a quick minute to walk you through Rubistar if you haven't used it before. So when you get to this website, it has a Create Rubrics section that you can go to. And what's really nice about it is that it has customizable rubrics for you, categorized by specific topics. So if you are a math teacher, like what we just did, this is actually where I created the graph rubric, was that I clicked on the graphing one, I came down, you can add your name, any specific title you want for the rubric, and then you have full autonomy over what you want to grade the students on. So I can select a category, and if I don't like the wording, I can simply highlight it and change it to whatever it is that I wanted. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the show. Take care.